G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we're doing my review of the Spigen Neo Hybrid case for the Galaxy Note 9. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button and let's get started. Have a look, we're all set up, ready to go. Now I've always liked Spigen. This is $35 on their website. It's a matte finish, herringbone pattern they call it. Slim, and if you do notice here, I've got the coral blue Galaxy Note with the yellow S Pen, and I've matched it up with the case, so I've got the coral blue and the yellow case. Happy days. Let's put that back in there. Right, so let's have a look. Now this does come in, I think, 5 different colours. So you have yellow and gold, blue and yellow. It's like a maroon and gold, a silver and blue, a black, and a gunmetal grey type colour as well. So plenty of options there. Now straight away, that feels good. That feels like a high quality product. You've got your cutouts here for your cameras, fingerprint, flash and heart rate sensor. Power button on that side. On the other side you have volume up and down, the stupid Bixby button. On the bottom you have ports for the S Pen, the speaker, the microphone, the USB Type-C and the headphone jack all lined up there. And it feels really good. The blue is your TPU, so your soft plastics, and the yellow is your polycarbonate, which is like your hard plastic. I really like the look of this. Straight into place it goes. Fits really well. I've got to say, I'm more impressed than I thought I was going to be with this. It looks and feels really good. So I'll just have a quick look. Power button. Works fine. Volume up and down. Just let me unlock. Volume up and down works fine. Bixby works fine as well. Unfortunately, the button does anyway. Now, as usual, as I do in all my case unboxings and reviews, I like to make sure that I don't get any colour bouncing back from the edge of the camera cutout. I've seen it happen on a number of different cases, so that's why I always test the camera. So something nice and simple. We put the flash on and take the photo. And if it was a really badly made case, you would see some blue in the picture, and there is no blue in that picture anywhere, and that blue would be bouncing back off the case, which it's not doing, so happy days. Now, lip protection, there's a little bit there, like I'm not worried about that touching the bench. It's not going to touch the bench. None on the sides, obviously, because you do have that curved display, but at the top and bottom there is some lip protection. It feels slightly sturdy. Look, it does say on the box here, it says military grade drop tested. And that's the same standard as every other phone. Bit of branding there on the bottom. You've also got your cutouts down the bottom. And they're in a good position. There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with those cutouts. S Pen is easily accessible. You know, I'm really digging that I got the same colour as my phone. The coral blue with the yellow trim. I dig it. Now this is going to be my daily case for the next 24 hours. Normally I change my cases a lot, so I'm going to keep this on there for at least 24 hours and see how I feel about it. But yeah, it definitely looks good, looks the part. I would say that the Samsung protective cover is my favourite followed closely by the Spigen Neo Hybrid. I really dig that for the feel of it. It's not too slippery, it's not overly grippy either. Feels good in the hand. It takes a little bit of bulk away from the phone from using one like this. So it's got its pros and cons. I'd say the pros is the design. I mean, it's very slim feeling, very sleek. All the cutouts are really well made, as you can see there. Looks like precision manufacturing. Probably the con is doesn't feel that safe, but it looks good. They say it's good. They say it's military standard. So hit the like button and the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Check ya.